Hi, welcome to my Trying for Disaster part 50, where I'm going to be replacing the felt window channel. In part 48A, I showed you the stripping down of the old felt in the channels. So if you want to refer back to that one, please do my Trying for Disaster part 48A, which is showing the window regulator too. I was hoping just to get some felt inserts for the channels. Unfortunately, the supply in Canada from McGregor's looks as if it's closed down. So I had to go and get 4 pieces of channel. The felt channel here from Rimmer Brothers, and this is actually this channel with the felt. So now I have to take the fixing bolts here on the guides, top and bottom out, and these are secured by rivets. There's 6 rivets all together, so I'm just going to grind out them rivets, and then we have to resize them onto the channel. If you notice on this channel, the bottom fixing point is in line with the bottom, and the same with the top guide is in line with the top. On the A-post channel, the top is in line with the top of the channel, but the bottom here, I don't know if you can see this, there's like a gap there, so we have to keep that in mind, that when you come to cut it to length, you have to allow for that. So I'm going to start by just going to grind them off these rivets, and then I'm going to measure and cut the post, and then hopefully it's just going to be a matter of pop riveting these 6 back in, and we'll see where we go to when we get there. So I've cut the channel 17 7/8. Pardon me. I've taken off the guide and the 2 securing bolts from this side. Always remember, very important, which way the orientation is for when you put it back, and the same thing at the bottom. Now unfortunately at the moment my rivets aren't deep enough, because I didn't allow for the membrane, this part, so I just have to get some new rivets for that. So as you can see, I've just slid the guide rail over it. It's nice and tight, and to make sure it was level with the channel, I just put this spatula in there and give it a quick couple of taps just to make sure that it's sitting on the bottom. So the next task will be to rivet these on. but as I don't have any rivets at this time, I'll leave that till next time. So while we're waiting for the rivets to arrive, I'm going to take off the this is the window guide that's closest to the A-frame of the passenger side. So I've got to take this bracket off, that bracket off, and the bottom bracket again. 6 rivets. So I've marked these: the top, the bottom, and the edge. So we've taken off the brackets and the guide of the old one. We've slid this one on top. It's flush at the top of this one. And remember, this is the edge that goes towards the A post. Interesting to note, at the bottom here, the bottom bracket is about 1/8 off the bottom. So you must remember that. It does not go flush to the bottom. It's about 1/8 off the bottom. So that's another side done, just waiting for the pop rivets. Just to get a close-up of the bottom bracket, where I tell you it's about 1/8 from the bottom. Pardon me. So that's how it would sit. So I'm going to use the air compressor riveter, because I don't have the strength in my hands anymore to handle the manual one, and I'm going to use 1/8 short rivets on the bottom and the 1/8 medium rivets on the top ones, because we've got a bit more material to get through. So the air riveter has made short work of putting these in, and they're pretty sturdy, along with this one here at the bottom. So I'm just going to touch these up a little bit and then get on started on the other side. So let's just show you how this air riveter works. Connect it to a little compressor, put the rivets in, hold it tight, so let's try that again. Hopefully the compressor and the furnace don't kick in. Make sure that you got your alignments done properly, that we get everything marked. So I'm just going to try the guide on the window frame, and I'm quite happy with that. It's not graunching, not snagging up anywhere, so good. So now after doing these two sides, I'm going to start on the other window. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, please leave comments, and I welcome all remarks. Thank you. Bye.